Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to enable power saving mode on Android phone in Infinix. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your phone master. So I'm going to simply click on my phone master right here. Then have opened up your phone master. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to battery optimization. So simply click on that. Then you take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply turn on this particular button. With that, power saving mode is on and you'll be able to save a lot from your battery life. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.